We are in San Diego, day 2, out at the marina. We are going whale watching with the company called Adventure Whale Watching. And this week, they have seen whales, orcas, sea lions. So while yesterday was all about being on land and seeing wildlife, today is all about being on the ocean. And none of us have seen whales other than pictures and videos. So we are so excited. We cannot wait to go find these creatures.
Our marine layers, all giving us a little more enhanced cloud cover. So it'll probably stay mostly cloudy for the fall. What we're going to be looking for, you guys, and it's not just the spout, but let's talk about that first. It really varies. It can be anywhere from a super subtle 5-foot to a dense, towering 25-foot. Whoosh! It'll start out looking like a chimney-shaped puff of smoke. Whitish gray in color, little blue tinge to it. That breeze gets a hold of it, it's gonna mushroom out on top before it starts to dissipate out. In the gray whale's case, they have a very unique spout. A lot of times it's gonna try to look like a heart before it dissipates out. Oh, there is a few dolphin in the middle of them here. So. Yeah, it is. There's scattered comments on these birds.
Oh, there they are.
There they go.
I got it. Right there in front of the boat.
Cool. Big feet here. So these are common dolphin really mowing through this sardine. These sardines are having a bath. Probably 30 to 40 common dolphin here. These are long-beak common dolphins. Come up here. This is really cool.
Go.
You can come up here too, Mom. Since you're the big YouTube. They love to come and play on the pressure pulse on the boat down. So literally going to be out straight over.
Okay.
And our dolphin are going to follow us. They're going to be right on the bow.
I'm gonna.
Spot of anchovies or sardines right here. You see this brown spot. we've got some really cutie patootie sea lions here, and we'll see if these bottlenose pop back up.
So the reason I chose adventure whale watching is because of these boats. There's a lot of companies to choose from, but a lot of them have the big boats that have they're 2 stories tall, carry like 50 to 60 people. This boat carries 6. Before its life here, it was a Navy SEAL boat, and you're close to the water and you almost eliminate getting seasick. We didn't see any whales today. They are wild creatures and they just don't come at our command. But we were able to see the pod of dolphins. There are about 75 to 100 of them in what they call a dolphin stampede, chasing some sardines. The captain did let me go up to the bow of the boat when we were racing with the dolphins, and that was incredible. I was just leaning over the front of the boat with the camera. It was just insane. Just an amazing experience. So it was still a win-win for the day. You know, it's not every day you go out on these boats and you actually get to see a whale. So we're going to do it again. Not here because we're leaving soon, but we are traveling up the California coast, up through Oregon and Washington over the next couple of months. And we're definitely going to stop and do another whale tour to try to catch these elusive creatures. So now we're headed back to the RV resort that we are staying at this weekend. We are at Sun Outdoors San Diego on the harbor. We're just gonna head there and have a nice, relaxing afternoon by the pool and the jacuzzi. And check that out. Check out our video where we do a review about Sun Outdoors. So make sure you subscribe so you can join us on our next adventure. It's what they call a dolphin stampede, or you could call it the Dolphin Disney Marathon, the Dolphin Derby, the Dolphin Tour de France.